Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Minorities are equal citizens of Pakistan, says Chief of Army Staff. According to the Inter-Service Public Relation, the Army Chief expressed these remarks during a visit to Nagarparkar, Sindh, Tharparker district. The basis of the Constitution of Pakistan is that all people are equal in the state. Articles 20, 21, and 22 explicitly state the rights of the minorities and their protection. On the other hand, in India, more than 700 outbreaks of communal violence occurred in India in 2017 alone, killing 86 and injuring 2,321 people, according to UK-based minority rights group International (MRG). There were 1,620 reported incidents of violence against Christians in India from January 2014 to March 2018. Also, recently a hijab girls case can't be forgotten. These numbers highlight the gravity of increased communal violence and saffron terrorism in India. Continued proliferation of Hindutva in the socio-political fabric of India causes radicalized youth resorting the violence in the name of faith. On November 30, 2018, Bipin Rawat advised Pakistan to become secular, while in India, even respecting cows more than humans does become a core election issue, while Congress always used so-called secular cards to get the votes of Dalits, Muslims, and the other minorities. BJP and like-minded parties used religion to exploit sentiments of the majority community. The truth of the matter is that Muslims in India get befooled, betrayed, and stabbed for the sake of alleged secularism, and Hindus get befooled for the sake of strict radicalism. Thank you for watching.